In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your Google Sheets document as a Microsoft Excel .xlsx file and open it on your computer. First, have your Google Sheets file open on your desktop browser. Any modern browser works, and it's easiest if the tab is expanded so you can clearly see the toolbar. Make sure you're viewing the exact sheet you want to convert. Don't worry. This process creates a copy for Excel and does not modify your original Google Sheets file. Next, move to the top left corner of the screen and click the File menu. This is the main menu for actions like sharing, printing, and, in our case, downloading. If you're on a smaller screen, you may need to maximize the window so the menu labels are visible. When the menu opens, hover your mouse over Download. Pausing your cursor there reveals a list of file formats. This is Google Sheets' built-in export tool. It's handy because it handles the conversion for you so you don't need any add-ons or extra software. From the list, choose Microsoft Excel, XLSX. This format is widely supported and preserves most data, formulas, and formatting. Keep in mind that highly advanced features or certain add-ons might look a bit different in Excel, but for typical spreadsheets, the conversion is smooth. As soon as you select that option, your browser will start the download automatically. Depending on your settings, you'll either see the file appear in your Downloads bar or in your Downloads folder. If your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you'll remember. If you don't see anything, check your browser's Downloads icon near the address bar. The file may already be there. Once the download finishes, open the file in Microsoft Excel or any other compatible program. On most computers, a quick double-click on the .xlsx file will launch it. If you don't have Excel, applications like LibreOffice Calc or Apple Numbers can open .xlsx files as well. Because the file came from the internet, Excel may open it in protected view. If the source is trusted, select Enable Editing to work with the sheet normally. That's it. You've opened your Google Sheets document, use the File menu to download it as a Microsoft Excel .xlsx file, and launch the converted copy on your computer. Now you can edit, share, or archive it, just like any other Excel workbook.